Hey everyone, so welcome back to my channel again, Intelligent Learners. In this video, we are going to discuss about the stem and the leaf plot, right? Stem and the leaf plot is one of the topic in statistic where with the help of the stem and the leaf plot, we are finding out the mean, median, mode and range. In this video particularly, we are focusing on how to find out the range, how to find out the median and mode. And very importantly, in the starting, we'll discuss that what is stem and the leaf plot, right? So yeah, let's start with the video, everyone. Welcome back with a new topic, which is the stem and the leaf plot. Please understand the topic very clearly. It's very easy. Now, first of all, you have to understand that stem and the leaf plot is a topic under statistic, right? When we are talking about the statistic, so we know that in statistic, we are talking about the data. It can be the numerical data. It can be the data of anything, right? The data of we have 100 t-shirts, we have the color of 100 t-shirts I have, or it can be the height of students in a particular class. So data could be anything. It can be a numerical value. It cannot be a numerical value, right? But when we are mainly talking about the stem and the leaf plot, it's just a way. It is one of the way to represent the data, right? Like we are representing the data in the form of histogram or in the form of bar graph or in the form of pie chart. So also one of the way we have is the stem and the leaf plot. Now in the stem and the leaf plot, what we have, suppose we have a data. First, you have to remember there's only in the stem and the leaf plot, we will only talk about the numerical data. Please understand this thing. We will only talk about the numerical data, right? Now, there are two things. One is the stem and one is the leaf. It means we are splitting the data into two. So one part is called as the stem and the second part is called as the leaf. That's way. Suppose I am saying there is a number 42 because it's a numerical value. So the left part is called as the right part is called as the leaf, means the number at the unit place we have, or the ones place we can call it as the leaf, and the left side is called as the stem. If we have a single digit number, so we have, because it's only a single digit number and we want to split a single part into two parts, so what we will do, we will put, see, we will put 0, but we can't put 0 on the right side because the number will get changed from 1 to 10. So what I will do, I will write it as 0, 1. So 0 shows as the stem and 1 shows as the leaf. Okay, so 1 shows as the leaf. Just a second, leaf. Okay, now you want to ask that, ma'am, if the number is a 3-digit number, suppose I'm saying it's 142. Please remember this thing, that under leaf, it should be a single digit number. So 2 is called as the leaf, and whatever left, that we will take under the stem. Okay, so that you have to remember. Okay, next, in a stem and the leaf plot, we represent the data under a very unique table, right? So let's discuss that, how we will do it. So I think it's very much clear to you. Okay, next, what we have to understand that it's, wait a minute. Yes, let me. So we have to draw a vertical line like this. And again, we have to draw a horizontal line like this. So what we can do here now, first is the stem. So this part is called as the stem and this part is called as the leaf. So left part is called as the stem and the right side is called as the leaf. So if we have the data, so suppose I'm saying 42, 40 and 49, suppose 3 data, okay? 3 data is there. So 42, 40 and 49. So please remember this thing, in the stem and the leaf plot, we arrange the data in the ascending order, right? In the ascending order. So if suppose you have so many numbers together and you have to put it under the stem and the leaf plot, so you have to represent this in this type of table. So that I will tell you, just a second, we will take a particular example to understand this thing, but we will only take, suppose we have only this type of data and we know that every stem is the 4. Every stem is 4. So under stem, I will write this as 4 and all the unit places, I will write in the ascending order. So it will be 0 to 9, okay? 0 to 9. So like this, we represent the data in a very organized way, right? So organized means in the ascending order, and that's it. So let's take an example to understand that. And also stem and the leaf plot is very, very important to find out the range, mean, median, and mode. Mean is quite little difficult, but median and mode they are very simple. Okay. Okay. So first, I will tell you what are the disadvantages of stem and the leaf plot. The disadvantage of stem and the leaf plot is that suppose you have a big data, right? Suppose you have data of 6,000 students, 6,000 students. So it will not be conducive for us to show the data of 6,000 students in a table, in an organized table, because we want such a big paper to put all the data on the number. So that is a disadvantage of showing the big data, okay, on the stem and the leaf plot. So that is the disadvantage of the stem and the leaf plot. Okay, so let's understand this by using an example. Let's understand that by using an example. Suppose this is the question I have. Use a stem and the leaf plot to show the ages of 21 musicians, right? So total observations are 21 in an orchestra. And this is the example, right? We have the data. We have 25, we have 35, 28, 47, 52, 33, 50, and so on. So if we will see what is the smallest number here. So the smallest number is, I think so, it's 25, right? It's 25. So 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25. Yes, 25. And the biggest number I have here is, I think, 56, right? 56 is the biggest number. So how we will represent it? Using the stem and the leaf plot. So what we have to do, we have to draw a vertical line, we have to draw a horizontal line, right? So in the left part, I will write it as stem. In the right side, I will write it as leaf. Now we know that the smallest number is 25, which I will break. The left side is called as the stem and the right side is called as the leaf. And please remember, now please see, under 20s, how many numbers are there? So 25 is there, 28 is there, then we have again 28, then we have 29, then again we have 29, and then we have 26. So every number starts with 2, right? So I will write here as 2 because the lowest number is 25 only, right? Okay, so this is the stem. So because the number that I have circled, they start with 2, right? So the tens place is 2. So I'm writing the tens place here. And I know that the unit places I have to write under the leaf, but we'll start with the smallest one. So 25 is the smallest. So 5 I will write. Then I have 26. Then I have 28, but 28 2 times. So 8, 8, and 29 also 2 times. So this, right? You don't have to put commas. You just write the number like this. Then we have number under 30s. Okay, so let me change the color to write it. So this is 35, 33, 33, 35, 39, 32, and again 35, right? So the smallest one is 32. So these are the number which has come under 30s. So I will write 3, right? So the smallest number under 30s is 32. Then I have 33. 33, how many times? 2 times, right? Then we have 35, 3 times. So 5, 5, 5, and then 39, only 1 time. Yes, so 9 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are 7, right? Now let's see under 40s. So this is 47, 48, 41. That's it. So under 40s means tens place under the stem, and 41 is the smallest. So 1 I'm writing here. Then we have 47. So 7 here. Then we have 48. Please, every number you have to write in the ascending order, right? After that, under 50s. Under 50s, how many numbers are there? So under 50s, I have 52, 50 again, 50, 55, and 56. So I'm writing tens place as 5 here under the stem, and 50 I have, so 0 I will write. Then I will write 52 is there, 51 is not there. So 52, so 2 here. Then I have 50, 52. Okay, 52 times now. So I have to write 0, 0, 2 times. Then I have 52. then 55, so 5 here, and then 56, 6 here, right? So these are total observation are 21. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. It means my observation. Please remember, these are the number of observations. So it should be exactly same as the given number of musicians. It means I have put down the data very correctly. Now, how to find out the range first of all? Okay, so let's understand the range. Range, you know, in statistic, the range is the highest observation minus lowest observation, right? Highest observation minus the lowest observation. Highest number, you know, the last number is not 6, it is 56. So the last number is 56, which is the highest one, and the first number is 25, which is the lowest one. When you subtract these two, so it will be 31. So range is 31 of this data, right? Range is 31. Let's find out the next part, which is the mode. Okay, so let's find out the mode. So when we find out the mode means the most repeated observation. So which is the most repeated observation here? So I know that here 28 coming 2 times. See, this 28 and this is also 28, which is coming 2 times. 29 is also coming 2 times. So see, 2, 9 and 2, 9. 33 coming 2 times again. 35 is coming 3 times, right? And then 50 is also coming 2 times. So which is the number which comes most of the time is 35, right? So we have to connect this number with the repeated leaves, right? So 35. So 35 is the mode, which is the most repeated observation. So 35 is coming 3 times, and all other numbers that under leaf are common, like 8, 28, 28, 29, 29, they are coming 2 times. So we have to take the most repeated observation. Now let's find out how to get the median using the stem and the leaf plot. So I have to rub all this thing. Okay. To find out the median, what we will do, we will just cancelling out the observations. So how we will cancel out? By the first observation, we'll cancel out the last one. Second with the second last. Third with the third last. Fourth with the fourth last. Fifth with the fifth last. Sixth with the sixth last. Seventh with the seventh last. Eighth with the eighth last. Ninth with the ninth last. 10th with the 10th last. What is left? This number, okay, in between. And it is not 5. It is, we have to connect with this 35. So the median is 35. Now you will ask me, ma'am, if 2 numbers left between, then what happened? Right? If 2 numbers left 15, then what happened? Then you have, what you have to do, you have to take those 2 numbers, suppose 35 and suppose this is also, suppose these 2 are left. Okay, after deducting all the values, I got 35, 35, 2 times. These 2 numbers suppose left. So it will be 35. How you will find out the median? So you will add both of the observation and divide it by 2. That will be the median for you. Okay. So when 2 observations left in between, that will be the case when we have even number of observation, right? For the odd number of observation, because I know that I have 21 and 21 is the odd number. So under the odd number of observation, I have a middle value. So this is 35, not 5, 35. I will connect every leaf with the stem. So it is 35. So median is also 35. Now, if I have to find out the mean, so that is a little complicated process to find out the mean. In mean, what you have to do, you know that what is the formula for finding out the mean is the sum of all observation divided by total number of observation. Total number of observation. So you know that. So the mean is the little complicated process, because we know that what is mean. Mean is sum of the observation divided by the total number of observation. So that we will discuss in the another video, because it's otherwise the video will be too much longer, right? So yes, everyone. So that's that about the range, mode, and median using the stem and the leaf plot, right? So thank you.